I'm Jeff Tanner, the U.S. Retail Sales Manager for Fairmont Homes. We're inside our Pinehurst model, and I'd like to take just a quick minute and show you a few of the features of this great home. The first thing you'll notice, spaciousness. Wide open spaces, open concept. We have our stone fireplace. Many other amenities available in the living room, including bookcases and entertainment centers. But most of all, let's show you the kitchen. A huge kitchen featuring one of the largest islands that we have ever put into a house. Drawers, cabinets, soft close hardware on drawers and doors. Features of our cabinets also include hardwood and dovetail construction. Whatever you need, we've got it, and plenty of room to put it. Farmer's sink, have a very nice faucet with pull-out sprayer, and lots of upgraded appliances and lighting as well. Next, I'd like to move into the bathroom and show you a few things in there. Welcome to the bathroom. We'll start with a barn door option between the master bath and master bedroom. We move over this way and we can see the vanities where we have the LED backlit mirrors. Again, storage is the key. Lots of drawers, lots of doors, and a linen in between the vanities. Now on this side, we have a large standalone tub, and then the feature, our giant ceramic tile shower, including these heavy-duty glass sliding doors. More than enough room, plus a 4-jet sprayer with handheld wand. Once again, trying to put as much as we can into every home to give you the best value. Thanks for watching, and there'll be more to come.